Some of you are still on the same situation. Na you have been praying for the past 11 months or probably 11 years, and yet you haven't seen the promises of God fulfilled. Maybe some of you here, when the preacher is telling about healing, and yet you are still sick. Maybe you are the person here, mga kapatid, na habang nagde-declare tayo that God is my maker, God is my deliverer, and yet pag uwi mo sa church, you will never see that happening in your life. This preaching is for you. And yet sometimes ganyan si Lord. Papangakuan kanya, hindi niya alam kung sasabihin kung kailan. Minsan si Lord ganon. Mangangako siya, gagaling ka, pero hindi niya sasabihin kung kailan. Makakabayad ka, makakaahon ka, makauunlad ka, pero hindi niya sasabihin kung kailan. Sino na-discourage kay Lord? Ganyan si Lord. Na-discover ko kung bakit. Tingnan bakit. Kasi kung sasabihin niya ang kailan, hindi ka naman nanampalataya. Maghihintay ka na lang. Kung si Lord siguro, kada pray mo, may sagot siya. Hindi na ako magtatrabaho, magpe-pray na lang ako, may sagot pala siya eh. Pero bakit si Lord, pinagpe-pray ka niya, and yet hindi siya sumasagot? Para ano? Talisay kung bakit. Para hanapin mo siya, hindi yung kailangan mo. Parang hanapin mo, maniwala ka sa Kanya, hindi sa pangangailangan mo. At tandaan nyo, only by faith and through faith that we can see God. Only by faith and through faith that we can see God moving. Only through faith. Ngayon ka pa ba hihinto? Ngayon ka pa ba hindi maniniwala? Ngayon ka pa ba magda-doubt? Ngayon ka pa ba magsasabi, Panginoon, ayoko na yatang magtuloy? Huwag muna ngayon. Don't stop short.